Hello guys, we meet again to the assemble video. Let's assemble this first. Turtle dinosaur. This one on the left. Nice. Plug into the board. Turtle dinosaurs. Let's move on to the another dinosaur. We have this one. We have stegosaurs here. Let's find the leg. Nice. Now assemble the front leg. One, two, and nice. Now last one is the tail. Cool. We have stegosaurs here. Now let's move on to the now the arm and yep, nice. Let's move on to the other side. Nice, we have dinosaurs, tyranosaurs right here. We have turtle dinosaurs, and we have stegosaurs. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you again on the another assembly video. Goodbye.